Hello everyone. Today's topic is concept of static and dynamic web pages. In this topic we will see concept of web page and web browser, what is static web page, what is dynamic web page, what are advantages and disadvantages of static and dynamic web pages, and last topic is how to identify the web page, means web page is static or dynamic. First let's see concept of web page and web browser. What is web page? A web page is a document or information resource that is suitable for the World Wide Web and can be accessed through a web browser and displayed on a computer or mobile device. Clear? What is web page? Each and every pages on the internet or on the website through a web browser and displayed on a computer or mobile device. Then this information is usually in HTML or XHTML format. A web page information is made in HTML or XHTML format. Clear? Then what is web browser? Browser from browse, to access, to invoke, to open means browser. A browser is a software program that is used to explore, retrieve and display the information available on the World Wide Web. A web browser can have a graphical user interface, means GUI, like Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, Opera, etc. And also a web browser like command line interface, that is CUI, like Link's web browser, GUI interface web browser and CUI interface web browser. This is a web browser. Then web pages can be either static or dynamic. Two types of web pages. First is static, second is dynamic. Then what is static? Static means unchanged or constant, while dynamic means changing or lively. Therefore, static web pages contain the same pre-built content each time the page is loaded, and the content of dynamic web pages can be generated on the fly. Means what is static? Unchanged pages, and what is dynamic? Changed pages. This is the main difference in static and dynamic web pages. Next, what are static and dynamic web pages? First, what is static web page? Standard HTML pages are static web pages. They contain HTML code which defines the structure and content of the web page. Means standard HTML pages are called static web pages, which contain HTML code and defines structure and content of the web page. That is your static web page. Each time an HTML page is loaded, it looks the same. The only way the content of an HTML page will change. Page looks like the same, but content only way the content of that page will change if the web developer updates and publishes the file. Okay, what is static web pages? Standard HTML pages, structure and content of the web pages written in HTML code, and each time an HTML looks like the same, or page will change if the web developer updates and publishes the file. Then what is dynamic web page? PHP, ASP, active server pages, hypertext preprocessor and JSP pages are dynamic web pages. These pages contain server side code, and static web pages contain client side code, which allows the server to generate unique content each time the page is loaded. For example, the server may display the current time and date on the web page. It may also output a unique response based on a web form by the user. Many dynamic pages use server-side code to access database information, which enables the page's content to be generated from information stored in the database. Okay, websites that generate web pages from database information are often called database driven websites. These are the database driven websites. It is the main difference in static and dynamic web page. Okay, clear the concept of static and dynamic web page. Then how to identify web page, that web page is static or dynamic. You can identify a page is static or dynamic simply by looking at the page's file extension. Page's file extension in the URL located in the address field of the web browser. Okay, how to identify, looking the page's file extension in the URL. If it is .html or HTML, the page is probably static. .html or .htm, then page is probably static. And if the extension is .php, .asp, .jsp, the page is mostly like dynamic. While not all the dynamic web pages contain dynamic content, most have at least some content that is generated on the fly. Okay, how to identify the web page, that page is static or dynamic simply by their file extension in the URL. .html or .html is of static, and .php, .asp, .jsp are of dynamic web pages. Then advantages of static web pages. Static websites are easier to develop, can be developed quickly, they are indexed easily by search engines. Web pages actually exist on the server, which is not the case with the dynamic website. These are the advantages of static web page: easier to develop quickly, indexed easily by search engines, actually exist on the server, not case the dynamic websites. Then disadvantages of static web pages. Static websites cannot do complex tasks required by the many online services. Updating a whole site can be cumbersome and time consuming, and isolation of data and design is not provided in static websites. Okay, means complex task, cumbersome and time consuming, isolation of data and design is provided in static websites. These are the disadvantages of static web pages. Next topic is advantages of dynamic web pages. Can do more complex tasks required by online services. Then they are easier to update. Isolation of data and design allows programmers and content writers to work independently. Okay, complex tasks required by online, easier to update, isolation of data, design allows programmers and content writers to independently. These are the advantages of dynamic. Then disadvantages of dynamic web pages: take more time to build, can be difficult to build, websites are not indexed by search engines. With continuous improvements in search engines technology, this problem is now very much eliminated, and you can find that many dynamic websites are very well indexed by search engines nowadays. These are the disadvantages of dynamic web pages. Next topic is another classifications are of websites. Static और डायनामिक वेब पेजेस के अलावा अनदर क्लासिफिकेशंस आर, फर्स्ट इज एफिलिएटेड साइट्स. Affiliated enabled portal that renders not only its custom CMS but also syndicated content from other content providers for an agreed fee. There are usually three relationship tiers: affiliated agency means commission junctions, advertisers eBay, and consumer is Yahoo. These are the affiliated site. Then archive site. Archive site used to preserve valuable electronic contents that are on verge of extinctions. For examples, Internet Archive and Google Groups. Next, blog sites. These are generally used to post online diaries, comments, or views that may include discussions forums. For example, Blogger, Zanga. These sites are blog sites. Next, content sites. These sites create and sale of original content to end user. For example, Slate, About.com. Next, commerce site or e-commerce site. These sites are designed for purchasing or selling goods such as Amazon.com, CSN stores, Overstock.com. These are the commerce site. Next, corporate website used to provide information regarding business, organization, or service. These are the corporate sites regarding business and organization or service. Next, community site, MySpace or Facebook. These sites where persons with similar interest communicate to each other through chatting and messaging or through social messages boards such as MySpace and Facebook. Then city site, a site that shows information about a certain city or town and events that takes place in that town, created by the city council. For example, Richmond.com is the geodomain for Richmond, Virginia, in Virginia. This is the Richmond.com. This site is city site. Next is information site. This site contains content that is intended to inform visitors but not necessarily for commercial purposes, such as encyclopedia, ratemyprofessors.com. Next site is mirror site, a complete reproduction of a website, means mirror site. News site, similar to an information site but dedicated to dispensing news and community. Next is personal homepage. For example, geo sites run by an individual or a small group such as a family that contains information or any content that the individual wishes to include. Next is fish site. Fish site, a website created to fraudulently acquire sensitive information such as passwords, credit cards details by distinguished as a trustworthy person or business, such as Social Security Administration's PayPal, in an electronic communication. Next is political site, a site on which people may voice political views. Okay, this is the political site. Next site is rating site, a site on which people can praise or disparage what is features, means your rating sites. Next site is review site, a site on which people can post reviews for products or services, means review site. Next site is school site. School site, a site on which teachers, students or administrators can post information about current events at or involving their schools. This is the school site. Next, video sharing, a site that enables user to upload videos such as YouTube and Google Video. This is your video site. Next site is search engine site. Search engine site, a site that provides general information and is intended as a gateway for retrieving other sites. For example, Google, Yahoo and MSN. Next site, shock site. This site includes images or other material that is intended to be offensive to most viewers. For example, Rotten.com. Next site is Warez, a site designed to host and let users download copyrighted materials illegally. This site is Warez sites. Next is Web Portal. A site is vehicle that provides a gateway to other resources on the internet or an intranet. This is Web Portal. Okay, in this topic we will check concept of web page, web browser, what is static web page, what is dynamic, advantages, disadvantage, and how to identify the web page. What is web page, what is web browser, then what is static and dynamic web pages, concept of static and dynamic web pages, then how to identify static or dynamic web page, advantages of static web pages, disadvantages of static web pages, then advantages of dynamic web pages, disadvantages of dynamic web pages, and some another classifications of websites: blog site, commerce site, city site, next information site, personal home page, rating site. Another sites are review site, video sites, search engine, web portal, etc. etc. Thank you.